Hey kids! Welcome to Fun Farm Friends. Today, we're going to meet some amazing animals that live on a farm. 2. Pigs. Piglet babies. Piglets are tiny baby pigs. They're so cute and pink. They're like little squishy balls of fun. Piglets drink milk from their mommy pig, just like you drink milk from your mommy. That milk helps them grow big and strong. As they grow, piglets start to eat other yummy things too, like special pig food. They play with their brothers and sisters, and they love to roll around in the mud. Soon, the piglets will get bigger and bigger, and they won't be babies anymore. They'll be grown-up pigs. Isn't that amazing how they grow? Wait for next part and please don't forget to like and subscribe.